Well, we got a John Deere loader here. Losing coolant. Didn't see no leaks on the outside, so went ahead and took this tube off of the EGR cooler. Run my finger up in there. Yep. She's wetter than my wife whenever I give her Patron. She's gonna get an EGR cooler, boys. Sometimes I have my days where I wish I would have got an office job. But those of you that know me personally, I had a bad dirt bike wreck, and it shattered my hip, shattered my pelvis, it ripped the artery in my leg, so that's my excuse. I think it's a pretty good one, but I don't know, y'all might think different. What's the weather like where y'all are at? Drop that in the comments. Because right now, here in South Texas, it is not good as far as like rain and stuff like that. So I want to slip this tube back on, blow all the dirt I can inside the exhaust port here. That way it runs a lot better. Then I'm gonna put the other gasket back up on here. Hopefully they're still decent enough to get it out of the shop is all I'm looking for. That way I can go ahead and order parts, and maybe we'll have parts in a week or so, maybe 2 weeks. They're not really in a hurry to get us anything anymore. They're just, you get it when you get it. But they just don't want you to work on these things anymore. And engineers say that they're our friends. I don't think so, Budro. Because if you was, a lot of this stuff would be easily accessible, which this ain't that bad, but I think a lot of y'all mechanics out there know exactly what I'm talking about. Get this other bolt in here. I did lose the bolt to a exhaust clamp over there. I'm gonna have to scavenge one of those. I can just get it in the hole. Normally, I don't have that type of problem. Come on, start. Just start for daddy. Please. Okay, there we go. And then I need my other bolts and studs. This one is screwed and bent, but I'm gonna run it in there just to hold it down. Oh, you should be putting anti-seize on it. You're not wrong. I ain't got none. It ain't got no anti-seize in it. Like I said, enough to get it out of the shop is all I'm looking for. Kind of dread this EGR cooler job, even though it's going to be pretty easy. Still kind of dread it. That probably goes right back to that conversation. I just wish I would have got an office job. But they don't want to pay you nothing. You know what I mean, Vern? It's crazy that a lot of these places, they just want to offer you 12, 14, 15 bucks an hour in a high cost of living city and expect you to make it on that. I don't understand that, especially when rent on your apartments and stuff is running around every bit of $1,000 to $1,800 a month, and that's just for like maybe a 1-bed, 2-bed. You know, that's kind of ridiculous. Especially, I mean, I am in a tourist area. I mean, I get it, but golly, man, give me my damn ratchet back. I'm gonna finish buttoning all this up, and then slap this new EGR cooler on there, and this unit's gonna be out. Boy, that office job looks better and better and better every time that I do something. I put all this stuff back together, thinking that it was gonna take a few days, weeks, whatever, to get an EGR cooler in. Well, our parts guy has got one on the way right now. It's gonna be here today. So I didn't know that. So I started putting all this stuff back together, and I was like, that bent bolt that I was talking about. And I was like, I'm not gonna run it back in and risk messing up the threads, so I'm just gonna run a new bolt in it. That worked out. It broke off in the manifold. So I done that for nothing, because the parts are going to be here today. Well, I ended up getting that new EGR cooler in. I fought it the whole way. I got that broken bolt out. I welded a washer and a nut to it and got it out. But when it came out, it took the threads with it. So I tapped it for a 3/8 bolt. Seems to be holding up pretty good. No leaks. I'll show you. That's going to be it for this. He's ready to go. We'll see y'all on the next one.